Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. Talking on one of the financial news channels, Shyam Sekhar said that a very simple and straightforward rise to India is steel. Here he talked about a stock which he feels is good for accumulation at every dip. If you look at what valuation people have paid in LCLT for other companies and the kind of cat fight that is happening in LCLT to acquire these companies, he thinks that this company would be a simple and straightforward idea. However, he also added that it would be prudent to wait for the management con call to know the management's perspective. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Steel Authority of India Limited, which is available at Rs 78.10 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is SAIL. Now Steel Authority of India Limited is a holding company engaged in the manufacturing of flat products such as hot rolled coils, HR plates, cold rolled coils, pipes and electric sheets, and long products such as thermomechanically treated, that is TMT bars, and wire rods. If you were to look at the 1 year chart, you would see that the company was on an uptrend for the first few months of the year, but since then it has been choppy. The market cap of the company is 32,259.40 crores, which means that the company is a large cap one. The company did not yet make any profits and hence the earnings per share and the price to earnings ratio are not applicable. Because of it not yet making profits, the company also does not pay out any dividends. One positive factor about the company is the book value, which stands at 86.01, translating into a price to book ratio of 0.91, which is less than 1 and is a very good figure. The industry PE is 16.72. Now another strong factor for this company is the promoter holding, which stands at 75%. The 52-week high for the stock is 101.45, whereas the 52-week low is 52.85. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.